Hello inflatable fans! Been out for a paddle with Stitches and Sparky here, and figured it'd be a good opportunity while we've got 3 boats inflated to do some tests with the Pea Pod and the Brent to see what would happen if you have a catastrophic air collapse. So in this video you're going to see what happens with the Pea Pod. Let's do it!
Let's do it now.
So I wonder what the protocol is for watching your brother drowning while you're filming. Do you drop the camera and run in? Or do you say, hang on, this is great footage?
What is the protocol?
Yeah, what is the protocol?
It'll be an interesting one, this one.
Sorry.
Alright, so. Oh, this is a weird one.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I can actually, bizarrely, some of the air is actually got caught between me and the front chamber. So I have actually got more air in this than I actually thought.
Because you've got a bubble underneath you.
I'm sat in water. There is water getting into the boat. But look at that, I can actually lift this up over me a little bit.
Wow.
And still kind of move around. It is going further and further in. Let's just move away from there a bit.
Oh yeah, you can see the water in the boat.
So, just give it a minute or two just to see if it kind of gets any worse. It does. Yeah, more water is now getting into the boat. I think,
Are you alright?
yeah, I just don't know how I would
How would you get out? Yeah.
kind of get back if I was out. Let's let water in and see what actually happens.
I don't feel entirely comfortable watching
If
this.
push came to shove,
You'd step out and hang on to the...
you just kind of have to cling onto the side and then try and use your paddle to kind of move around.
Yeah.
Actually, that's quite doable, isn't it?
You're going further down now though.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you can actually move around. If this was rough water,
Yeah. You'd be out by now.
that would be a bit of a challenge. Because now all the air has now gone. I think I've kind of got caught in the paddle leash here a little bit.
Yeah.
Taking the paddle leash off,
Yeah.
and I think that would be your way out. You'd need to use this.
Yeah.
There's just one big float at that point. It would be rough, but you could get yourself around. I think you need to change the paddles to flat. Yeah, you would. Let me just push that back up. Turn around. So I'm now going to head there and get out on that bank. So can I make it. I've just drowned a wasp, which I'm rather glad of at this moment in time. Yeah, that's quite a collapse. So one chamber, you can get back on one chamber. You can move around with one chamber if should the worst come to the worst. Alright, was that useful? Did you find that one useful? If you did, you know what to do. Oh, just splash myself in the face. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, you know what to do. And stay tuned and keep abreast of what's going on, because the next one is going to be in the Brent. Thanks for watching.